Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video I'm going to talk to you about my trip to England. My wife and I, and actually my mum, were back there from the 16th of July until the 26th. We just got back on Saturday, and I have to tell you I'm still a little jet lagged. We went back there for a family event. And anyway, the reason I wanted to share that with you is because one of the things I learned while I was in England is the fact that apparently they suffer, they have families there too who are also suffering because they have a loved one with a long standing issue regarding substance use and mental health issues. The problem there is they don't have the same types of laws that we have here in Florida. Now, I was advised that they do have, I think they call it a section, which is their version of the Baker Act. But other than that, there's really not much you can do over there. And so this is one of the reasons that I'm a big advocate of coming to Florida for treatment. First of all, we still have really great treatment here in Florida, thanks to the Sober Homes Task Force that we had a couple of years ago here, which basically weeded out all the bad actors and the people that were taking advantage of insurance and things of that nature. But more importantly, we have these three really great laws that we operate under typically in any case, which are the Marchman Act, the Guardianship Statute, and the Baker Act. And it really depends on the case as to which one of those three tools that we're going to be using. But it's not unusual for us to file a Marchman Act and a guardianship in the same case, so that we have sort of the speed of the Marchman Act but the control of the guardianship, and in the middle of it someone gets Baker Acted. And so obviously having a very deep understanding of how the Baker Act in and of itself works is really important, because that is a statute that allows the state to basically reach out and grab somebody and take custody of them. Well, if you don't understand how the Baker Act works, what do you do if you are in Marchman court or guardianship court and the person needs a higher level of care and now they're in a Baker Act facility? How do you handle that? Well, if you understand how the Baker Act works, and over the years I've probably filed about 500 cases to get people out of the Baker Act who shouldn't be there, then you understand how it all works. And sometimes it's necessary for us to have somebody Baker Acted where they need an immediate high level of care, and where we need to get them assessed and stabilized and have them in a secure environment where they can't run away. So just a little bit about my trip to the United Kingdom, and it was great to be back, but it's also great to be back here in Florida because this is home. But I thought I would share that with you. And if you're a family who has a loved one with a long-standing issue with regards to substance use and mental health disorders, and you're tired of, frankly, being tired and sick and tired of being sick and tired, and you want to get some help, we are here to help. Please reach out to us. And with that said, I would love a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.